Okay, y'all, take a trip with me down into the garden bed. Let's see what's growing. I got flowers growing up in here. Look at these cabbages. Oh my gosh. To see these cabbage form from like nothing. And look at the broccoli. Look at the cucumber. This is like a baby cucumber. Coming out really nice and strong. This in here is my sweet potato beds. I got sweet potatoes coming. And my cucumber, this is tomato box and lettuce. Tomatoes. We got some lavender in here growing with these tomatoes. Got some kale over here. They look nice and strong. And my okra. Look out the baby okra. Oh, this basil, she done shot up. She was not looking pretty good last week. Got another pathway over into the secret garden. This is the secret garden. And what do we spot? We spot a banana tree. That's a baby banana tree. And this is an orange tree. This was nice and strong. We have about 4 banana trees right here. And this one is a lime tree. And we had limes up until like the beginning of this year. And then we have another lime tree right here. Nice and big. And then over here is the secret garden. So gonna be taking our time and watering it. We did put some plants, some what am I saying? We put some seeds in here. Hey, best friend. He's a wild animal. Wild animal, go cousin. Hi, baby. This one is a bully right here. This one is the bully right here. Sometimes they crash into me, child. Look at cousin. Zeke, if I have